Okay, so here's a good version of a failing wall. So you have the old original wall here, which was a skim coat, and then look down there. You see how that wall's falling apart down there? And then this ledge wall, let me back out here. This ledge wall was put in, but you see how it's leaning over? And it's pressing on this wood post that was put in. And so you can see inside that wall there's brick. This is from a house around 1900. And this wall's failing, and it could fail. The owner was concerned, could it fail? I said, yeah. And he said, well, I don't think it's going to fail in a week. And I said, well, if we have a couple of good rainstorms, it sure could. Now look at how this cinder block retaining wall has sheared. They're hollow. It's sheared off, and this part's coming in. You have an old, what was either the coal chute or an opening here where it was a window. So this wall is just not competent. It has to have foundation replacement. Let's look over on this other side.
I'll trade you.
Okay. And you can see what's going on over here. See, there's the old original brick in the wall, and it's just got mortar just slapped around it, but it's a loose wall. And even this wall is failing. You can see down there where that brick is coming in. So definitely this is a wall that needs foundation replacement.